To show us support, don't forget to watch the video all the way through, like it, and subscribe to our channel.
Hi guys, my name is Nicolette. Today I'm going to show you how I take a bath using nature, and it's called a ritual bath. So one of my favorite books on ritual baths is this book by Deborah Heinke. And she really encourages you in this book, while she does give you recipes, to create your own recipe based on what you love and what you feel. So that's what I did. I love incorporating nature in all aspects of my life, and that doesn't stop at when I take a bath. So I love taking ritual baths. A ritual bath is basically using a bunch of natural products from the earth to enhance your bath experience and nourish your body and mind. One of the first steps to taking a ritual bath is selecting a few crystals to bring along with you. I love crystals and I totally believe in their healing energies, and I just love surrounding myself with them while I'm taking a bath. So the crystals I chose were Mine Personally by Brian and I in Arkansas. So this is a beauty. I selected this one, and I also selected one of my favorite crystals that I own, which is this giant point. I don't know if you can see, but it has like little crystals all over it. It's so stunning. You can choose whatever crystal that you love to incorporate in your bath, or maybe you don't want to incorporate any at all, and that's okay too. The bath I'm going to do tonight is going to be an empath bath. I got the inspiration from the Ritual Bath book. I'm going to make this completely my own, but the reason I chose the empath bath is because I think it's super important to be empathetic. Being empathetic can help you thrive in so many areas of your life, especially in all of your relationships. Being empathetic can help you understand other people better, which allows you to have better relationships and be less selfish about them. Okay, so I keep all my herbs on my herb shelf, and this is just my dried flowers, my salts, my powders, everything I need for potions and bath time. So for this one, I'll show you some of the things I selected for this bath. Here's all of the ingredients that we're going to use today in our relaxing empath bath. The main and most important ingredient in this bath is chlorella, and this is a blue-green freshwater algae. I love chlorella. It's so good for you internally and externally. You can put this in your potions, your tea, and it's gonna help your skin. It's a great source of natural protein if you're vegan or vegetarian. And honestly, this is just an anti-ager. The Himalayan salts are essential for the detox part of the bath. Kaolin clay is another main ingredient in the bath. This is going to draw out all the impurities in your skin. So kaolin clay or any clay, adding that to your bath can be moisturizing and super beneficial for your skin. Some fresh rosemary, some fresh citrus of your choice. Another main ingredient in the bath are actually fresh roses. I don't have fresh roses right now as it's the middle of winter. I actually picked these myself right before winter set in and let them dry out. The first ingredient is Brian and I's homemade bubble bars. This is obviously optional to use the bubble bar or not. Now that the water is filled, we're gonna continue on with putting the rest of the ingredients into the bath. The water's a beautiful green color. It's really inviting. Can't wait to get in. Like to see more bath recipes and more of my future ritual bath, be sure to comment that below and I'll continue including them on the channel. If you like this video, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see how we incorporate nature into our lives, both inside and out. We love being out in nature, but we also love bringing nature inside. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions about ritual baths, and if you need any recommendations on ingredients you should include in your ritual bath based on how you're feeling or skin issues you're having. I would be so happy to answer your questions.